when inspecting or repairing the weight sensors. Remove the water tank assembly. Calibrate the weight sensors so that all four sensors read 0. Place a 600 ml bottle of water on each sensor one at a time and observe whether the values change normally. Each weight sensor should output its corresponding value. If one sensor shows abnormal readings, replace that sensor individually. If abnormal readings persist after replacing the faulty sensor, replace the sensor's signal cable for further verification. Each weight sensor comes with an individual rubber shim. Make sure the shim is properly installed.